being a process-driven business, is driven through spreadsheets initially, which is very admin heavy for all of my quantity surveying team. We, as a dynamic business, knew that we needed to digitalise the commercial department considerably. We've got a lot of stats and usage from it, but what it really does is it allows my QS team to stop focusing on admin as much and allows them to focus on doing what they actually should be doing, which is reducing costs and making it an efficient business. So Payapps has been pretty revolutionary on our business from that perspective, in terms of streamlining the commercial department and approval processes and ensuring that we're not exposed to smash and grabs. Payapps automates those payment notices, both payment and pay less notices, to ensure that they cannot be missed. Now, it doesn't issue a response automatically, but what it does do is it sets the warnings throughout the business to myself and the MD to be able to notify the relevant people or deal with it in time to avoid missed payment notices and inevitably a smash and grab. The regulatory side is very important to get right in our industry, and this supports us to do that. We produce reports on a monthly basis which spits out and allows me to rationalise what surveyors are approving applications on time and which are not, which ones are getting approved late, which ones are not. And it actually allows and defines me time to work out who has the biggest workload as well. So one of our surveyors the other day was doing 74 applications, and I have another surveyor doing 34. So it gives me a snapshot every month, really, to understand the commercial department and how it's working. Payapps is very intuitive to use. Elliot, who's with us today, has picked it up in the last 3 months and absolutely no problems at all. It's not just a younger generation either. My whole team, varying ages throughout the business, have been able to pick it up successfully and execute it to a very accurate and high level, to be honest with you. I actually thought it might be more challenging to introduce than it has been. They've picked it up very well. It's been very good. It would be the executive summary. The chat function on Payapps is excellent. The response times are brilliant. You don't get an AI, which I hate. And it's not just my staff that use it, subcontractors use it as well. So it saves a lot of my time and my team's time resolving queries that have been picked up by subcontractors. So we can just refer them to the chat, which is really good. I mean, for me, Payapps, I would definitely recommend it. I think it's fundamental to any aspiring construction business in the UK, simply due to ensuring abidance by construction law. It protects you from smash and grabs, which can destroy a business accidentally. And I mean, they're very difficult to manage if not managed well, and Payapps does that very well.